Hello students, today we will discuss about Ohm's law. Ohm's law. So, what is Ohm's law? It states that if physical condition remains same or constant, then electric potential is directly proportional to going current. V is directly proportional to I. At constant temperature, pressure or humidity. So according to Ohm's law, it states that if physical condition remains same or constant, then electric potential is directly proportional to flow of current. So V is equals to Ri, where R is constant. R is equals to V upon I. According to Ohm's law, the ratio of electric potential to current is also constant, called R. R is resistance. What is resistance? Resistance means it is a property which opposes the flow of current. For example, regulator. Regulator is a best example of resistance or resistor. How? रेगुलेटर क्या करता है, फैन के स्पीड को हम लोग तेज या धीमे कर सकते हैं. तो रेगुलेटर इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ रेजिस्टर एंड द रेजिस्टेंस इज द प्रॉपर्टी व्हिच अपोजेस द फ्लो ऑफ करंट. सो हाउ विल यू प्रूव ओम्स लॉ? कैसे प्रूव करेंगे इसको? सो प्रूफ ऑफ ओम्स लॉ. प्रूफ ऑफ ओम्स लॉ. Ohm's law. So let us consider x-axis and y-axis. X-axis for electric potential and y-axis for current. So if we have two or three values, V is equals to 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, 5 volt, and I is equals to 4 volt, 5 volt, 7 volt, 9 ampere. Sorry, I is equals to 4 ampere, 5 ampere, 7 ampere, and 9 ampere. So if we draw V on x-axis 2, 3, 4, 5, and on y-axis 4, 5, 7 and similarly 9. So on x-axis V and on y-axis I. So 2 पे 4, 2 पे 4. Similarly 3 पे 5, 3 पे 5 and 4 पे 7, 4 पे 7. So if we draw these points are straight line, are in straight line, collinear. So 2 पे 4, 2 पे 4, 3 पे 5 and 4 पे 7. Okay, 7. Now if we calculate the value of R, that is slope, so R is equals to del V upon del I. What is means of del? So del means change, second minus first. So if we subtract 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 upon I is 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, value will be 1 upon 1, that is 1. Similarly, we find R2. So R2 is next 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 upon 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5. So value will be 1 upon 2. Next, if we find another example, 5 minus 4, R3 is R3 is 5 minus 4 upon 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. That is 1 upon 2. And the value 1 upon 2. So R2 is equals to R3 is equals to R4 dot Rn will be constant. V upon I is constant. That is 1 by 2. So its mean be also 1 by 2. Hence proved Ohm's law. That is V upon I is constant. Now we will discuss about combination of resistance. What is combination of resistance? Combination of resistance. Combination of resistance. So there are two types of combination. First, series combination, and the second is parallel combination. What is series combination? If we have 3 or 4 resistors, if we have R1, R2, R3 and so on. So in series combination, first term will be positive, second will be negative, first will be positive, second will be negative, and first will be positive, second will be negative. So if we connect the positive terminal of second resistance connected with negative terminal of first resistance, similarly positive terminal of third resistance connected with negative terminal of second resistance, so on. This combination is called series combination. And similarly, if we connect positive and negative, positive, negative, positive and negative, all the resistors first end at positive and second end at negative. So all the terminals at the positive end and all the terminals at the negative end called parallel combination. So in series combination, current will be same for each resistor, and in parallel combination, voltage potential difference will be same for each resistor. So now we will discuss how we will connect in series combination. Series combination. So let us consider we have 3 or 4 resistors, R1, R2, R3. So R1, R2 and R3. We know that current will be same for each resistor and V for each resistor will be different. So net we will find net potential difference. Net potential difference or electric potential. Potential difference. So V equivalent is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 dot Vn, so on. Or according to Ohm's law, we know that V is equals to IR. So IR is equals to IR1 plus IR2 dot IR1. Both the equation I common. So R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 dot Rn. So in this combination, equivalent resistance is always greater than the individual resistance. And why will we use for series combination? For to obtain minimum current, we use series combination. And the indivisible resistance is always less than the equivalent resistance.